Here's another old school tip. I've mentioned it before in other videos. You just take a fuel hose and you stick it to the end of the spark plug, and then you can start the spark plug in the plug hole without fear of it cross-threading, because the hose will allow the spark plug to find its center, and then it won't cross-thread. And you can see here, even on this sort of difficult one in terms of working underneath the manifold, the plug is turning in nicely, and once the plug bottoms out, the hose, it just keeps spinning, but you can tell the resistance, and then you just pull on the hose and that's it. So now all you need to do is tighten the spark plug further. I'll show you one more in real time so you can see. So you just place the plug and then you just start rotating, and obviously maneuver the hose a little bit to allow the plug to tilt, and then once the threads catch, the plug just goes in nicely. On these spark plugs, it's not necessary to put any type of anti-seize. The plugs themselves have a factory coating that is enough. It should not cause the plugs to seize into place. If you do use anti-seize of some kind, make sure that it is conductive. If it's not a conductive anti-seize, it can cause problems with spark developing in terms of the spark plug not firing correctly, because the spark plug obviously needs to be grounded to the engine block, the cylinder head. Jeez, I don't have all my words today. Follow spark plug manufacturer tightening torques. You can go by feel if you know what to feel for. That's pretty much it. And I disconnect the injector, number 4 injector and number 1, just so that I can get my extension in there nicely. And you can see this is a straight extension. And it has no problem finding number 3 spark plug or number 2. And don't forget to use the correct tool to pull on the connector, the spark plug connector. It clicks into place, or it twists and it grabs the connector, and then you can pull the connector off of the spark plug. But what you want to do is twist it as well, continue twisting it, wiggling it, so that the rubber insulation breaks free of the spark plug. This one's getting leads as well. You can see the green corrosion on the inside that's starting to develop.
Sorted!